Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair. Here we're going to be showing you on this 2014 Nissan NV200 how to replace the engine mounts. Right now we're going to be replacing the bottom mount on the center, so should be pretty straightforward. I just gotta get my gun, my tool. This should be a short video, so again I will ask you and encourage you to really subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and help us out. It doesn't cost you anything. You know, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you find value in this video, and let's get to the repair. This is 18mm socket, so I'm gonna remove this. I don't know if I'm going to remove this just yet. You can see as soon as I loosen this up, the engine shift a little bit, so we might need to pull it back. You can see it right there. It shouldn't be okay, but let's see what happens. Okay. There is. This one is not terrible. Right here you can see it is crack, something considerable, you know, to a degree normal. So that's about it. Doesn't seem to have like up or down side, so we're going to make sure we compare them, make sure both of the same length, and we go from there, guys. Excellent. All right, so let's get to it. So every time that you replace something and you reinstall them back, make sure when you put the bolts back that you actually do it by hand. Okay, it's not a good practice to use this if you have tools like that to start the bolt, because if you are wrong and you cross thread the right here the bolt, guess what? You're gonna have to fix that, and this goes into the transmission and it's aluminum, so you do not want to do that. Take your time, be patient, make sure this, you know, goes in. As you can see here, it's going in, so now I can actually use my tool. Now here I'm done. I'm gonna go grab the torque spec and I'm gonna do it, use the torque specs, that way I don't over tight it and damage the transmission integrity of the thread. Alright then, of the case actually, in case somebody tried to get more technical on it, but this is the first one, so this is gonna be short videos so you guys can learn how to do it, or just give you a different tip, something to help you to maybe increasing you a little bit your knowledge and minimize the risk to damage something. All right, so again, if you like this video, please like the video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, share, comment, and I will see you on the next repair. God bless you.